Min priority queue. Let us discuss about concept and operations in detail. Concept of a min priority queue. A min priority queue is a special type of priority queue where each element is associated with a priority value, and the element with the smallest priority value is considered the highest priority. In other words, smaller priority number means higher priority. The minimum priority element is always accessed first. The data structure ensures that this smallest priority element can be retrieved efficiently. Common internal implementations. A min priority queue can be implemented using sorted or unsorted arrays, sorted or unsorted linked lists, binary heap, which is the most efficient, binary search tree, Fibonacci heap, used for advanced algorithms. Let us consider an example for better understanding. Suppose you have the numbers 15, 35, 10, 40, 6, and 5 in a priority queue. First, arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest. 5, 6, 10, 15, 35, 40. Here, 5 is the lowest number, so it receives the highest priority in an ascending order priority queue. Before sorting, 15, 35, 10, 40, 6, 5. After sorting in ascending order, 5, 6, 10, 15, 35, 40. In this sorted list, 5 holds the top priority, while 40 is considered the lowest priority. This C program implements a min priority queue using an unsorted array. A fixed size array named PQ is used to store the elements, and a variable size keeps track of the number of elements currently in the queue. The insert function adds a new element to the end of the array. Before inserting, it checks for overflow to ensure the queue is not full. This operation takes constant time. The deletement function removes and returns the minimum element from the queue. It first checks for underflow to ensure the queue is not empty. Then it scans the entire array to find the smallest element, stores its index, removes it, and shifts the remaining elements to maintain continuity. This operation takes linear time. Overall, insertion is fast, but deletion of the minimum element is slower because the array is unsorted. This part of the program completes the deletemin operation, displays the queue, and demonstrates usage in the main function. After finding the index of the minimum element, the value at that index is stored as the minimum value. All elements after that index are shifted one position to the left to remove the minimum element from the array. The size of the priority queue is then decreased, and the minimum value is returned. The display function prints all elements currently present in the priority queue by traversing the array from the first element to the last. In the main function, several values are inserted into the priority queue. The queue contents are displayed, then the minimum element is deleted and printed. Finally, the queue is displayed again to show the updated contents after deletion. This demonstrates how a min priority queue works using an unsorted array, where insertion is simple, but deleting the minimum element requires scanning and shifting elements. Output is as follows. The elements are displayed in insertion order. The minimum value 5 is found and deleted, and the remaining elements are shown afterward. This is all about min priority queue. Thank you.